பேர் என்ன?
அனுராதா.
அப்பா பேரு
கணேசன்.
யோ, என்ன எப்படி பண்ணிருக்கானுங்க?
47 தடவை குத்தி அங்குள்ள பெயிண்ட ஊத்தி இருக்காங்களா?
கத்தி, கம்பி, ஸ்க்ரூ டிரைவர் இதெல்லாம் எதுவும் இல்ல சார்.
அது குத்துனது வேணா வரேன்.
எங்க அப்பா இந்தியாவிலேயே பெஸ்ட் கிரைம் நாவல் ரைட்டர்.
இப்ப என்ன சொல்ல வர?
எழுத தெரிஞ்ச ஆளுக்கு கொலை செய்ய தெரியாதா?
எங்க அப்பா இதை செய்யலன்னு நான் நம்புறேன். நானே தெருவில் இறங்கி என்ன நடந்துச்சுன்னு கண்டுபிடிப்பேன்.
One of the first Indian regional web series, Hotstar Specials, presents November Story, streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP in Dolby Vision, is a piece of art. Tightly woven, it is one-of-a-kind crime thriller which does require your careful viewing. The actors perfectly fit their roles. Another bold move there is having a female lead, Tamanna, playing an ethical hacker trying to save her father. Hello and welcome to Behind the Mix. I am Karma Paljor, and we are going to talk to the team about the technology that brought the entire experience lifelike to us. To talk about the technology that brings the experience lifelike, we welcome Indra Subramanian, the director of the series. Welcome,
Hello.
sir.
Welcome. Thank you.
We'd also like to welcome T. Uday Kumar, mixed engineer of NAC Studios. Welcome, Mr. Uday.
Thank you. Hello.
We'd like to welcome Prashad Somashekar, colorist at NAC Studios. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
And Harish Ram, president and co-founder of NAC Studios, who himself is a film director. Welcome. So thanks to OTP platforms, we can now enjoy regional content like never before. I'd like to start my first question with the director, Mr. Indra. Indra, this is, of course, one of the first regional titles to release in Dolby Vision on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. Did you all decide in the pre-production stage itself that the series is going to be in Dolby Vision? Any specific thoughts around this?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to convey my and our team's happiness that we are the first people to use this new technology, Dolby Vision, from South, and I'm glad to associate with Dolby. And as you asked in the pre-production, yeah, we were focused on a few areas. For instance, we were planning for the proper lighting because in a 2K or a FHD out, we won't usually color in 1000 nits monitor. So we planned according to it, and we got some ideas from the Dolby team because we had some preliminary meetings with the Dolby technical people, and they also guided us how to provide the out in the post-production level. So we planned according to it.
And, were the thoughts of mobile viewers? Because many people watch, the web series on mobile phones. So were they in your thoughts at that point?
Actually, we were so much focusing on people who would consume this content on mobile and laptop because we didn't know that time that this kind of pandemic would arise and people would get stuck up at home and they would watch it in a TV. We started to shoot before COVID and we didn't even know that name existed at that time.
Harish, you guys are a big mixed studio and you've been working with Dolby Technologies. How easy was it to transform, or how difficult was it to transform and color grade Hotstar Specials, November Story in Dolby Vision and mix it in Dolby Audio?
So, Karma, the thing is, I think with any new technology that comes out, there should be a level of acceptance in the technicians who are working on that. And thankfully, to the director, the DOP, and my team at NAC Studios, they are people who have worked on different stages of technologies itself.
Right. Prasad, if I can come to you, just tell us, what the colorist does, because his work is very crucial in using Dolby Vision, and how this translates into something that is of kind of a premium entertainment for a user, say, of Disney Plus Hotstar VIP, the viewers?
நிட்ஸ் லெவல் வந்து ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும். அப்போ அந்த நிட்ஸ்ல எப்படி 1000 நிட்ஸ் நாங்கள் ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியும் அங்கே மாதிரி ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு சேலஞ்ச் மாதிரி. இதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஒர்க் பண்றதுனால HDR எப்படி கிரேட் இருக்கும் சின்ன ஒரு டவுட் இருந்தது. பட் என்னன்னா இவங்க கரெக்டா அந்த டிஓபிஸ் பர்ஃபெக்டா எக்ஸ்போசர் எல்லாம் கரெக்டா இருந்துச்சு. நாங்க HDR கிரேட் பண்ணும்போது ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருந்துச்சு எங்களுக்கு. அண்ட் HDR டு HDR எப்படி இருக்கும், சப்போஸ் எனி ப்ராப்ளம் வருமாங்கிற சின்ன டவுட் இருந்துச்சு. பட் HDR டு HDR வரும்போது பர்ஃபெக்டா, அதாவது அந்த நிட்ஸ் ஹைலைட்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு 100 நிட்ஸ்க்கு வரும்போது என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும் செக் பண்ணும்போது எந்த ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லாத மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. பட் ஈஸியா நாங்க வந்து HDR டு இந்த டால்பி விஷன் போகும்போது ரொம்ப ஈஸியா எங்களுக்கு ஒர்க் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது.
So Indra, in a series like Hotstar Specials, November Story, how does Dolby Vision help in the visual storytelling?
It made ourselves to work a bit more. It challenged us because the detail it provides, you can't escape. So it makes us to put an immense effort to create an arena, to create a setup where you can't find faults because it gives you much detail, an enhanced detail. So we were in a situation to up our game to provide a quality content with Dolby Vision.
Any scene that stood out for you?
We really enjoyed the black and white portion. It was really challenging, and it was really so happy to work on that black and white area. Even in the color perspective or in the audio perspective, we all enjoyed working the black and white area so much than the color space.
And it does stand out. You're talking about the flashbacks right before every episode.
Hey, exactly.
And every flashback is like a carefully crafted tiny movie in itself, because it just lends to the storytelling. Because before you reach the present, you go to this back file, and it's brilliantly done. It must have taken time. So how challenging was it to shoot number one? Again, I go back to that piece. And how did Dolby Vision help you in transforming it to what you actually imagined it would look to the viewers watching that scene?
The only challenge we had in the black and white portion was we consciously took a decision that it should not contain any type of dialogues. We should say the story only through picture and sound and not through dialogues. So we were facing a challenge to convey the story as we had in our mind to the audience without any misconception. So that was the challenge in the making. And in the perspective of Dolby Vision, now it is what today what you are watching, and the quality in the way you are watching, it was provided by the Vision, because it is into some kind of international standards. The black and white portion itself shows the quality of the whole project, I think, and it was completely because of the Vision and the HDR out which we took. So Dolby Vision played a major role in the quality which the audience are receiving in a very big manner.
Yeah, I think that's one of the things that Dolby Vision does. Makes it a premium experience. It helps, I guess, the audience or the viewers have a deeper connections to anything, to movies, be it music shows, sports, anything, and the kind of games you have. So you have this deeper, immersive connection when there is a Dolby Vision to it. Prasad, if the series did not have Dolby Vision, if the Dolby Vision was not there, what would the audience be missing here then?
ஆக்சுவலி இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எனக்கே எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வந்து கொஞ்சம் புதுசாக தான் இருந்துச்சு சார். ஏன்னா இப்போ ஆக்சுவலி நார்மலாக நாங்கள் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் வந்து 48 நிட்ஸில் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். அதே வந்து HDR தரும்போது 100 நிட்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். பட் இது வந்து 1000 நிட்ஸ் ஆகும்போது இந்த 1000 நிட்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும் பார்க்கும்போது ஹைலைட்ஸ் வந்து ரேஞ்ச் வந்து ரொம்ப ஹை லெவல் அப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அதாவது ஃபுல் நல்லா இருக்கு. எங்களுக்கே வந்து ஹைலைட்ஸ் வந்து இவ்வளோ டீட்டெயில்ஸ் வருவாங்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. அதாவது இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நார்மலா ஒரு 10 நிட்ஸ், அதாவது 100 நிட்ஸ்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். அதாவது ஃபிலிம்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எஸ்கர்வ்ல வச்சு நாங்கள் ஒர்க் பண்ணுவோம், லட் பண்ணி பண்ணா அந்த ஹைலைட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பிளெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்போம். 1000 nits அங்கும் போது என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா இந்த டோட்டலா ஹை லெவல் வந்து இவ்வளவு ரேஞ்ச் ஃபுல் ரேஞ்ச் 1000 nits இருக்கும்போது அது லெவல்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ஒரு வரும்போது இமேஜ் குவாலிட்டிங்கிறது, அதாவது ஒரு ரெசல்யூஷன் மட்டும் இல்ல, 2K 4K அது மட்டும் இல்ல, இமேஜ் குவாலிட்டி வந்து டைனமிக் ரேஞ்ச் வேணும். அப்புறம் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா அந்த டைனமிக் ரேஞ்ச் வரும்போது இமேஜ் ஷார்ப்னஸ், அப்புறம் இமேஜோட லெவல்ஸ், அதோட பிளாக் அண்ட் ஹைலைட் லெவல் வந்து ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் ஹை லெவல்ஸ் நமக்கு நல்லாவே இருக்கு. அதனால நமக்கு என்னன்னா இப்ப ஆடியன்ஸ் பார்க்கும்போது நார்மலா பார்க்கும்போது அந்த ஷார்ப்னஸ் அந்த டைனமிக் ரேஞ்ச் இல்லாம இத்தனால HDR பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தாங்க, நாங்களும் அப்படிதான் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம். பட் HDR கிரேட் பண்ணும்போது அதோட டீடைல்ஸ் இந்த எஸ்கர்வ் இல்லாம அந்த ஹைலைட் இல்லாம அது வந்து இன்னும் நமக்கு கிளியராகவும் ஆடியன்ஸ் ஒரு நியூ எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸாவும் நமக்கு இது கிடைக்குது.
Let me get to the sound now, because for a series like November Stories, apart from the visuals, the sound being equally important, and the man behind it all, T. Uday Kumar, is with us. How has Dolby Audio, Uday, enhanced the overall audio experience for Disney Plus Hotstar VIP viewers?
See, generally we'll give the 5-point stereo. Now this movie will give the Dolby Atmos. So it is enhance the overall the visuals and give the more detailing to the sound.
இது உன்னோட கதை, நீ மட்டும்தான் முடிக்க முடியும்.
ஒன்றும் இல்லைப்பா, நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன்.
And the other important aspect of audio for any story is the Foley. Could you highlight some of the areas where it was created for November Story?
In particular, that black and white episode, we were used that stretcher sound, and what are the important sound we'll give that only that sound only.
Right. In terms of sound design in post-production, which scenes really stood out for you in terms of how challenging it was, and how did you go about it?
Sound designer and director, they did the pre-production before itself, and then came with me. And particular portion, what are the scenes, like that bathroom scene and mortuary scenes, and we have the different locations, like the police station, and Tamana rented that own house. There is so many places, and particularly sound designer have the more like they did the pre-production and then comes to me.
உங்களுக்கு early onset Alzheimer's disease இருக்கு.
Harish, again, another question to you. You will be working on a lot of content on, say, Dolby Vision and Dolby Audio. And, this will enhance the overall entertainment experience. From here on, what do you expect in terms of technology?
So when we started NAC Studios in 2017, that's when Dolby Vision was, like it was coming up and they were talking about Dolby Vision, and we've been following it up from then. And we got our Dolby Vision monitors one and a half years back, actually, even before the OTT space or anybody started, using the technology. So we've been working on it, and we've been, like really enjoying the whole thing. And I strongly believe that consumers are looking for superior quality content, and that too with the consumption majorly happening on the mobile phones, on their home entertainment, devices and all that.
Right. Let's dwell on that subject, Harish, of, the mobile audience. A person with a good mobile phone, 4K, 8K, I don't know, and good headphones can experience this premium content as and how the content creators wanted to create it and deliver it. Indra, if I could bring you in this question, you said that the mobile audience was in your minds. This is going to be a challenge for directors and creators, as well as an opportunity, isn't it, to up your ante? And Tamil cinema is known for that. You like to do that. You like to experiment, and you like to tell great stories.
In my vision, actually, I won't see this as an obstacle. Rather than I would see this as in a good way of challenge of telling a story where there can be a lot of distractions. You have 3 buttons, it's pause, rewind and forward, and you are in your own space, so you can be distracted to any kind of thing. So that makes a creator to be more conscious on what he is providing on that kind of a format, in this size of a frame. So I see this as an exceptional challenge which we have to go through, and we have to grow over it to reach our contents to the audience and to engage them within it.
Right, and the best part is, across the country, it doesn't matter if you are sitting in the northeast or extreme north, south, west, you can consume good quality content everywhere. Thank you all for your time today. Really enjoyed speaking to all of you all. Thank you very much for joining us. And certainly for your next level of entertainment experience, I would like to request you all to subscribe to Disney Plus Hotstar VIP and watch the Hotstar specials, November Story, in Dolby Vision and Dolby Audio. Thank you so much for watching.
கொலை நடந்த இடத்துல இருந்து அப்பாவை கூட்டிட்டு வந்துட்டு போலீஸ் கிட்ட இருந்து எப்படி காப்பாத்துவேன்?
கொலை செஞ்சவனுக்கு மனநல சரியா இருக்கணுங்கிற அவசியம் இல்லை. ஆனா பெயிண்ட் ஊத்தினாலு ரொம்ப தெளிவா யோசிச்சு செஞ்சிருக்கான்.
ஒன்றும் இல்லைப்பா, நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன்.
Hotstar Specials presents November Story, Disney Plus Hotstar VIPL.